All right, friends, look at that bite. Look at that bite. Look at that texture. Look, y'all, I'm telling you, these brownies are life. And if you want to learn how to make them for the holiday season so your family and friends will be definitely pleased, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so next we're going to start by baking our potatoes and whipping them up to get all the strings out of them. Let me show y'all something. Even those fibers, they're not even allowed even in the brownies. So we're going to do this a few times just to get it out of the recipe. All right, guys, so it is ingredients time. We need flour, vanilla, granulated and brown sugar, eggs, spices, and last but not least, we need our sweet potatoes, you guys. All right, you guys, so I have a little helper joining me. He just came out of nowhere, so we're gonna let him help. You gotta always let the kids help, you guys. So to a bowl, we're gonna add our butter and our sugars, and we're going to mix it. You're not gonna really fluff it up because the butter was melted. You just want to incorporate, you guys. So this is what it's going to look like. Like I said, it's not really creaming together. You just want to mix everything together very well in your bowl. Next, you're going to add the spices and then the vanilla and then the eggs, you guys, and then you're going to give it like a 30-second burst just to incorporate everything all together. Don't over mix it because you don't want it to bake up like a cake, so you just want to just burst it just a little bit. And then you're going to add everything to an additional bowl, you guys. I need a bigger bowl, to be honest with you, and not to mention my flour is in this bowl. This is generally a one bowl recipe, but not in this case, you guys. But if you want to make it a one bowl recipe, you can, but I'll be having to change out my bowls. But now you're going to take your sweet potatoes and you're going to add it to your flour, sugar, butter mixture, and then you're going to give it a good mix. You're going to work your arms, trust me. You're going to get a good little arm workout because the batter is going to be thick, like a brownie batter is supposed to be. Get you a pan, line it with some oil or some foil or whatever you want to do just to make sure nothing sticks. And you're going to pour your batter in, y'all. Look how thick and delicious that batter. I'm telling you, these brownies are delicious. If you like thick, decadent chocolate brownies, you're going to love this sweet potato brownie recipe. It is so amazing. It's so good. I swear you can just eat the batter by itself. And if you like your brownies nice and thick and dense, then you're gonna love this recipe, you guys. I promise you, because these brownies are thick, dense, and delicious. And then you're gonna even everything out in your pan. Make sure everything is touching the corners. Make sure everything is even out perfectly. Well, not perfectly, just as, you know, as smooth as you can get it, you guys. And once you smooth everything out, you're going to want to get ready to put this in your oven, preheated oven. You're going to bake this at 350 for 45 minutes, and then you're going to let cool, and then you're going to have something that's going to look like this. I made a cinnamon cream cheese icing for the top, and I toasted some pecans, you guys, and it gave these brownies extra life. I promise you, these are good and even better the next day. So enjoy.